In the previous chapters, we looked at how to customize our email messages, their content, and additional features. For this part, we will be looking at ways to manage who will receive the messages and in which form: email, e-document, or hard copy. On the customer card, or on the vendor card for that matter, we are presented with a document output fact box. It serves not only as an informational bulletin, but also provides access to some of the key settings for how recipients receive messages from us. As seen, there are no email recipients set up just yet. We can tell by the 0 indicating the number of recipients for this customer card. This does not mean that no one receives an email if, for instance, an invoice is set to be sent to this customer. In the event that document output attempts to send an email to a customer where no recipients are set up, the settings on the Email Templates General tab will determine where an email address might be found. In most cases, this will be the contact email on the Bill to Customer number header. The line underneath is where we would see the number of log entries. So for this particular customer, no messages have yet been sent using document output. The last line in the email section will tell us which output profile has been assigned to this customer. Before setting that up, I would like to show you how we could add a recipient in a scenario where this might make sense. In the first column, we specify whether the recipient is supposed to receive emails regarding a particular group of documents, as all email templates are linked to an email template group that defines the type of documents in a group, such as the bookkeeping group that contain email templates that are linked to the bookkeeping reports. But we can be even more specific by setting a receiver up to only receive a particular type of document. This will allow us to select a single email template. The next column determines whether the receiver should receive as to carbon copy or as a blind carbon copy. We can choose to send it to a static email address or to a contact already listed in Business Central. For now, we can pick one of the contacts entered for this customer. The remaining fields are filled with the information associated with the chosen contact. Now an email recipient has been set up for receiving all statement messages that we want to send to this customer in the future. And the email recipients line in the fact box now displays a 1. This way we can add more recipients for other documents, all in accordance with how our customer's organization is set up. The output profile also has something to do with receiver preferences, but more specific to the customer or vendor entity. Let's have a look at what these could look like. The configuration page that is available through the fact box is where we can configure various settings. We have the PDF password field here on the right for applying a customer-specific password to the PDF files sent via email. Another important setting is the output profile. These are examples of different output profiles, and we can always add more if needed. The first field is where we can give our profile a recognizable name. In the second, we select an email template if the profile should be limited to a specific template. Otherwise, we leave it blank. In the email field, we can select the form in which the message should be sent, and it does not necessarily need to be an email. It could be sent as e-document, a combination of both email and e-document, or we can skip sending altogether. A common scenario where you would skip sending would be for documents that need to be sent as a physical letter, in which case we will tick the print box. In the e-document field, we are able to choose between the XML formats that we have installed for those customers and vendors requiring or allowing this option. The future of business documents clearly lies within structured electronic formats and their corresponding distribution networks. The most widely used in the world today is the PEPPOL network with its various PEPPOL XML formats. Container Delivery Network is a service built inside Business Central that connects directly to the PEPPOL network. allowing you to send documents electronically and fully end-to-end encrypted to your customers and vendors. Enlisting into the Continued Delivery Network is quite easy and can be done directly from Business Central. Just search for Continued Delivery Network onboarding. We have now seen how to set up a customer card with document output. I hope you enjoyed this chapter and would like to check out more. Thank you for watching.